Hi there and welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this short video you'll see how we can send direct communications from the patient through to clinicians, where clinicians have the opportunity to respond to that message. You'll see what it looks like within the Airmid app for the patient, and you'll also see what it looks like for the clinician using System 1 back on the desktop client. So here we can see the Airmid app. On the front landing page here we have an option for messaging. I click onto messages. Here the end user, the patient, has the ability to look at previous conversations that have been had with previous clinicians. They can also look at archived messages that have been sent previously. So if I go ahead and have a look at my active conversation, I can see here that a message was written at 10:45 and a response was given by my clinician, Claire Butcher, at 11:22. Should the patient wish, they can then type a message back to the clinician and therefore send it back to the practice. If required, they have the ability to attach photographs, or take a new photograph or select from a particular gallery to also attach that to the message. So here we can see a new conversation that's been started from our patient. We can see it's new, it's come in as a new Airmid conversation within my list here. I can see the message itself. The clinician has the opportunity to respond to this and to send a message back to the patient. Once the message has been written by the clinician, they simply click OK, and that will send the conversation back to the Airmid app, ready for the patient to pick up and to view. When the clinician's response has been received back into the app, back in my messaging tab here, we can see the new message as it's been sent back from myself, Mr. Chris Percival, back to reply to the original message. Thank you for watching this short video. Please subscribe to us by clicking the link below. Thank you.